try to save this channel. And the more you subscribe, the longer and cooler my videos become. So please subscribe now. And please start liking all my videos.
3, 2, 1. Let it rip.
So we got Buster Excalibur. We got 1. And we got sword. Here's the Buster thing. To lock it in, you want to simply push it in. There's going to be a tiny button. Push that in. That's normal mode. To put in Buster mode, you would have to battle a while. Then it'll come out, and when it moves back and forth, that's Buster mode. Really good clicks. And if you want to complete your Buster Excalibur, you can get the dagger frame from the Treasure Spring set. So now, got a full combo. Let's do some test battles. All right, let's do some test battles. All right. First opponent, the Achilles. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. See? Now it's the battle between your knights. Soon you'll see the sword coming out, causing more damage. Oh, those are some hits. That's got potential. Oh, so in my opinion, there's a sword. In my opinion, Excalibur could have been a little bit better. I wish you could have locked the sword and for Buster mode, but you can't. Not like the anime. When it's in Buster mode, you see it has less stamina. But this could be a little bit annoying. Also, I think the Beyblade that I bought for the sword is broken. Overall, I think this isn't a good, I wouldn't say use this Beyblade in tournaments, unless you got like a driver to put on a dimension. Because earlier, see, it's already dented. Earlier, I was battling this guy against Achilles. Turbo Achilles, and it almost bursted using Turbo Achilles. So watch. I have more stamina, but more attack. See? So I think we should use Dimension. And look, it burst. So if you want a good one, you should use Dimension Driver. Overall, if I had to give it a 1 out of 5, I'd probably give it maybe a 3. Good product, but could be better. Alright. Alright. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Yep. Achilles just copied in the anime in episode 45. Excalibur just used pencil wall, I think. Either. Yep, there's pencil wall. So, I think you should use Buster mode a whole lot. Whichever one you prefer. Like Achilles just half quit. Excalibur just half quit. This battle, you gotta do the battle, guys. Like this battle's insane. So that's our What just happened? What just happened? That's the video, guys. Please like this video. You don't have to if you don't want to. And I'll see you in the next video.